My lower back and hamstrings have been tight for a while now. While stretching daily and foam rolling, will it be enough to loosen them up?
Stretching daily and foam rolling, yes, it will definitely help, but we're talking like how much are you doing? Because if you just do like 30 seconds and you're out, then it's probably not going to be enough. But if you can spend a good chunk of time after your workouts, like really working through muscle knots with the foam roller and really getting deeper in your stretches and breathing and relaxing and, you know, focusing on your flexibility, then yes, it will be enough. What do you think? Because you have had phenomenal progress. Yeah. Tell them about your hamstrings.
Well, just consistency.
Yeah,
like
and your lower back, yeah.
Well, my lower back has never been...
it's pretty tight, Bill.
No, it's...
not as bad as it used
But it's never been sore. Like, I've never had lower back pain. Yeah. Like, I'm one of the only dudes...
Well, he just said it's tight.
Yeah.
Doesn't say sore.
But consistency.
Yeah.
It's like,
this dude can almost do the splits now.
If you're consistent with your workouts, be consistent with your stretching. It's just refocusing. It's like, okay, I'm in for my workout. Now I got to be in with my foam rolling and my stretching.
We interrupt this program for an important news announcement.
You can now get access to all our workout programs, recipes, and meal plans inside our workout app. Try it for free today. Link in the description. Now let's get back to the episode.
Right, because I feel like most people just graze over that part, right?
Yeah.
Most people will like hit their workout hard and then just be like, stretch, I'm stretching, I'm done, you know? Because they just don't have the patience for it.
What is your focus? It's like if your focus is to build strong, bigger calves, put your calves workout at the beginning of the workout and then everything else follows. Like, what is your focus? It's like the priority principle of training.
Yeah, and you could also intertwine the flexibility stuff in between your weightlifting sets. If you just can't stand, if it just bores you to hell to like do stretching all at once, then like mix it in with your other stuff.
But here's how you can make your stretching fun. Put on a podcast, like, I don't know, maybe hashtag Ask LiveLeanTV podcast.
Yeah.
And listen. That's what I do. That's what I do.
Yeah.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming.